Hi everyone, my name is Ivis. I'm a technical sales engineer here at ZoomCharts, and in this video I'm going to showcase to you one of the main features that we added with the 1.4 update, and it's the cross-chart filtering. So basically what the cross-chart filtering allows you to do is use the visuals as slicers that allows you to add multiple filters on top of each other to filter out the report. So how it works? It's rather simple. So you just interact with the visual. So for example, here we have a donut visual. We click on the USA slice. As you can see, it's passed through as the first filter. That's great, but I want to add some additional filters. So I'm going to choose that my sales rep for this is going to be Marta Hernandez. And we can see that both filters are passed and the table is filtered out. And additionally, what we can do is let's choose a specific time period that we want to add on top of it. This looks great, right? But what we can do even further on, we can place even more filters on top of it if we want to. So let's just go and add last one, classic cars. So here we go. Everything is filtered out by the visuals and not by using slicers. So this allows your end users to actually interact with the visuals themselves rather than to choose from multiple drop downs. Alright guys, thanks for watching this really short video. Hope it helped, and if you have any comments or questions regarding this, feel free to reach out to us.